Baby bus.
Them to kindergarten. Let's go. Move the steering wheel and speed up.
Hi, baby bus.
Oh, Kiki, get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Kiki is on the bus. Let's go. Next stop is the supermarket.
Please enter the correct number to lift the barrier.
We have arrived at the supermarket. Teacher asked us to buy some things and bring them to class.
Let's go buy some stationery and a... Pick your cart. I want to bring these to class. Let's go get them. Quilt. Yes. Pillow. Hand sanitizer. Notebook. Water bottle. School bag. Pencil case. Put money in the drawer. Everything has been bought. Thanks! We have finished shopping. Get on the bus. Baby bus?
Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Lulu is on the... Let's go. Next stop is the photo studio. We have arrived at the photo studio. Teacher asked us to take a photograph and bring it to class.
Let's go take some photos.
Welcome! We want to take some super cool pictures. All right, let's go change clothes first.
Wow, I like these clothes. Let me try them on. Click the camera. It's such a beautiful photo. Thank you. So many pretty clothes. What should I wear? Click the camera and take... What a great photo. Thank you. We finished our photo shoot. Let's go.
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Hank. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Frank is on the bus. Let's go. We're going to pick up another friend. There's not enough gas. Fill it up for me, please.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Let's go, baby bus.
Bye, baby bus.
Hi, Mew Mew. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
All our friends are on the bus. Let's go. Next stop is the hospital. We have arrived at the hospital. Let's get a regular checkup.
We're going to get a health.
kg measurement. Sort them by color. Yes, this is the right place. Click the switch, which is the same color as the body. Yes, you're right. The checkup is finished. Your heartbeat is normal. Measuring weight and height. Kiki's weight, 16 kilograms. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Eyesight test. Move the magnifying glass to look for patterns. Correct. We found the pattern. Correct. We found the pattern. We found them all. You have good eyesight.
Thank you.
Hearing test. Listen, what's that sound?
Rooster! Bird! Puppy! Thank you!
We're done with our health checkup. Let's go to kindergarten.
We have arrived at kindergarten. This is our classroom. It's where we will study. Can you introduce yourself? I'm Miss Maymay.
I'm Mew Mew. I like reading.
I'm Kiki. I like playing with you the most.
I'm Hank. I like soccer.
I'm Lulu. I like dancing.
Kiki, Mew Mew, Hank, Lulu, remember your friends' names. You will be good friends with each other. Let's decorate our classroom. Hang the photos you like on the wall. Wow, I like your photos. The classroom is beautiful now. It's toy time. Pick your favorite toys.
Let's play with some toys. Wow, it's fun! Wait!
I will catch you. Stop there.
I'll show you how good I am. Oh, my ball!
Wow, it is so fun! Amazing!
Do you like the toys in class?
It's so fun!
I want to play some more.
Please sort out the toys after playing with them. It's snack time. Let's have something to eat.
Let's eat some snacks.
You did a good job of eating everything. Awesome! You all did well today. I want to give each of you a red flower.
Thanks!
Give flowers to your friends. Thank you.
Thank you.
Give flowers to your friends.
Thank you!
It's time to go back home. Baby Bus is waiting for you at the entrance. See you, friends.
Okay.
Be careful when you go back home. See you.
Miss
Miss
Amy,
Amy,
goodbye.
goodbye.
Baby Bus, let's go. We're taking all our friends back home safe and sound. Kiki has arrived.
Bye, Baby Bus.
Kiki, see you tomorrow. Baby Bus, let's go. We're going to take another friend back home. Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light. arrived. Bye, baby bus. Lulu, see you tomorrow. Baby bus, let's go. We're going to take another friend back home. Hank has arrived.
Bye, baby bus.
Hank, see you tomorrow. Baby bus, let's go. We're going to take another friend back home. There's not enough gas. Fill it up for me, please.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car.
Let's go, baby bus. Mew Mew has arrived.
Bye, baby bus.
Mew Mew, see you tomorrow. Goodbye, friends. I'll come pick you up tomorrow.